Hello students and friends. Today we are discussing about NCERT Geography class 9th chapter 2. Chapter name is Geography, Forest and Wildlife Resources. Forest and Wildlife Resources. तो इसके solutions देखेंगे. We are discussing about this chapter solutions. Let us start. Firstly, we are discussing about multiple choice question. Question number 1 is, which of these statements is not a valid reason for the depletion of flora and fauna? Option number 1, agriculture expansion, large scale development project, grazing and fuel wood collection, and rapid industrialization, urbanization. The answer is C, grazing and fuel wood collection. Second is which of the following conservation strategy do not directly involve community participation? Which of the following conservation strategy do not directly involve community participation? A, option 1, joint forest management, बीज बचाओ आंदोलन, चिपको movement, and demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Answer is D, demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Next question is match the following animals with their category of existence. Question is animal and plants name, other side category of existence, black duck, elephant, Andaman white pig, Himalayan brown bear, pink head duck. So answer is, you can write this question, this answer, and you can take a screenshot and write them into your notes. Animal, plants and category of existence. This is right match. Black duck is a endangered category. Asiatic elephant is vulnerable. Andaman and wild pig is endemic. Himalayan brown bear is rare, and pink head duck is extinct. So student, please note down. Third is also match the following question. Rivers, reserve forest, protected forest, unclassed forest. What is this? Answer is reserve forest is forests are regarded as most valuable as for the conservation of the forest and wildlife resources. This is right way. Protected forest is forest land are protected from any further depletion. Unclassed forest is other forest and waste land belonging to both government and private individuals and communities. This is also right. So, friends, this is right match. You can note down. Next question is 4 questions. Answer the following question in 30 words. This is short answer type question. What is diversity? Why is diversity important for human lives? Let us check the answer. Answer is biodiversity is the immensely rich in wildlife and cultivated species, diverse in form and function, but closely integrated in system through multiple networks of interdependencies. It is important for human lives because the human beings, along with the biodiversity, form a complete web of ecological system in which we are only a part and are much dependent on system of our own existence. Question number 2 is, this is short type answer. Question number 2, how have human activities affected the depletion of flora and fauna? Explain. Question answer is, several human activities have affected the depletion of the flora and fauna and has led to decline in India's biodiversity. The main factor responsible for this climate change damage are Number 1, habitat destructions mainly due to overpopulation leading to expansion of agriculture, mining, industrialization and urbanization, and consequence wiping out the large forest areas. Second is hunting and poaching and illegal trade of animal skins, tusks, bones, teeth, horns, etc. have led many species of the verge of extinctions. And third is environmental pollution, poisoning of water bodies due to discharge of industrial effluent, chemicals, waste, leading of animal death. Fourth is forest fire, often introduced by shifting cultivation, wiping out valuable forest and wildlife. Fifth is large-scale development projects and destruction of forest. This is most important. Grazing and fuel collection. Seventh is over-exploitation of forest products. So there are many reasons. You can write any 5 or all you can write, but you can only learn 5. Other important causes of environmental destruction are unequal access, inequitability, consumption of forest resources, and differential sharing of responsibility of environmental well-being. So this is answer. You can take a screenshot and write down your notebook. Fifth question is, this is also in 2 parts. First part is describe how communities have conserved and protected forest and wildlife in India. And second one is write a note on good practices towards conserving forest and wildlife. Let us discuss about answers. First answer is Indian forests are home to different communities. These communities have a complex relationship with their environment. The Mundas and Santhal of the Chota Nagpur region worship Mahua and Kadamba trees. The tribal of Orissa and Bihar worship the tamarind and mango trees. Similarly, the Bishnoi of Rajasthan hold the antipodes in high rivers. For these communities, particularly flora and fauna are integral to their identity. So they take a number of steps to protect the same. Villagers around the Sariska Reserve have opposed mining activities in the region. These activities endanger wildlife. Villagers in the Alwar district of Rajasthan have banned hunting and lumbering activities in 200 hectare areas, have marked as Bhairo Dev, Dhako, Sanctuary. Such activities have helped preserve patches of virgin forest land. This is the social cause. Second one is the good practices towards converting forest and wildlife are plenty. Nowadays, non-governmental organizations are working towards creating public awareness for conserving, depleting forest cover and vanishing wildlife. Central and state government in India have set up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect forest and endangered species in wildlife. This is important fact. National park and wildlife sanctuaries to protect forest and endangered species in wildlife are essentially developing practices toward conservation in the search of different conservation measures. Biodiversity is a new byword to good practices towards conserving forest and wildlife. Various communities, especially in tribal areas, who are dependent on forest for their living, are now taking an active role in form of conservation. This is the answer. You can take a screenshot and write down. This is question and this is answer. Answer number 1. and this is answer number 2. So friends and student, this is the short video of question answer of NCERT books class 10 chapter number 2 geography. Chapter name is forest and wildlife resources. So may I request you to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much to watching this video.